Good morning. Good morning. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. If you catch this later on in the day, hashtag replay. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Winning Wednesday to everyone. And let Facebook do its thing. Let a few people tune in. Hello there, Steven. Good morning. Hope your day is completely blessed. Let me know where you're tuning in from, Steven. I just want to hop on here, y'all, with a little short video before I start my daily routine this morning. So guys, I won't hold you too long. I want to hop on here, and for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Shanay Hayes. I am an online, offline affiliate marketer. I work completely from home, which is awesome. I want to share with you guys an amazing opportunity that I am a part of. We crossed over $80,000 within 2 months. We have people who never made money online making money today. It's completely newbie friendly. There is no recruiting required. Hello, Natasha. Good morning. I hope your Wednesday is completely blessed. There's no experience required. I made $850 with this amazing platform. Also, we have a webinar tonight at 7 Eastern Time, and I look forward to inviting you guys to come and check out those new people who never made money online tell their story. Hello, hello. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. So, if you guys are looking forward to checking that out, I will leave the link down below to our amazing webinar tonight. Hello. Hello, good morning. I hope everyone Wednesday is completely blessed. Hello, Christina. So again, guys, yes, I will leave the link down below to our webinar, and I look forward to seeing you guys. Yes.